coming to you live from my bathroom because I promised you guys that you ladies or guys that I would do a curly hair tutorial. So here I am post-workout. I just went running down at the beach. This hair is my natural curl if I take a shower, get out of the shower, put deep conditioner in it, and comb it out. So you can see it, and I dried it. I mean, I didn't dry it. I just let it dry while I was on the couch. So you can see that the curls are like not that good, not that defined. They get a little more defined down here. But like, I wouldn't want to go out in public like this. This is like, I just got done working out. I'm going to go to bed. So I want to put deep conditioner in. But I'm going to show you how I do my regular like day-to-day. I'm going to wear my hair curly. So I'm going to get in the shower. I'm not going to take you in the shower with me, although I might at one point. But this is the most important part. All you need to get started is shampoo and conditioner and this comb. So follow along. I'm not going to take you in the shower though. Okay, so I combed the conditioner through my hair, going back like this, and then I rinsed the conditioner out like this, and then I never, ever, ever comb it again. I don't shake it. I don't go like this. I take it, it's all like wet, and I just like put it on top of my head, and then I wrap it up in a towel, and I'll show you what happens next. Okay, so the sound did not record. So my little expert here is doing my voiceover. So I took my towel off. I have my favorite product. It's Rich Kids by IGK. I get it at Sephora or on Amazon. And it's like a coconut gel, but it's not greasy like coconut. So I'm going to hold that, and I'm not going to talk until I do something else. This is the magic of YouTube and Instagram. So, okay, so I take a glop of it. Oh yeah, sometimes I use that one, and that is also by IGK. It's called Mistress. Or no, maybe it's called Rich Kid. No, that one's called Mistress. And it's a leave-in conditioner. The other one is called Rich Kid, the one that I really, really like. So I take it, and it's important to note that I do not like comb through my hair with my fingers. I want to keep it as clumpy as possible. So I take a giant glop of it. Yeah, I know. It's super cute. And I take it and I rub it into my hands, and then you'll watch the process of how I put it into my hair. Let's watch together. So I start at the bottom, and I kind of glop it, and I'm shaking it loosely, but I'm clumping it together at the same time. This is actually really fun to watch and say at the same time. And then I take it through the sides, and I put a little glop glop here, and it's like a squeeze up, and then I do it on the other side, and it's a little glop glop there. It's very important. So I'm trying to keep the clumpiness of the curls. I don't want to like comb them out. Yeah, see, I said the same thing. Okay, cool. And then I take it and I kind of floof it. So floofing is actually a word. It's in my vocabulary. And I floof it there. There's floofing right there. I do laugh at myself. And then I kind of get it into place with a little floof, a little side floof. And then I'm probably not going to touch it ever again. Yeah, don't touch it. That's what I'm telling myself there. I'm like not going to touch it anymore for at least, oh, I'm touching it again. But you can see I'm just like squeeze and clump up. And then floof into place where I want it, because that's how it's going to kind of dry. Oh yeah, for the record, I'm getting Botox on Monday. Very important. Depending upon when you're watching this, I may have already gotten Botox. But anyways, I just get into my forehead. Okay, so that's that. And yeah, I'm just going to let myself go there. I'm not going to talk anymore. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm already drying. And I just kind of like don't really touch it, but I give it like a little floof, floof right up there. I keep it all forward because I don't want anything to be like straggling back there. And I just kind of like touch it, but don't touch it. Like I normally tell people like, don't touch it. And then I'm sitting here going like, so don't touch it, but you can give it a little floof because it'll dry like that. Okay, I'll check back in with you. Okay, so I'm like an hour post wet, and now I can start kind of floofing. That's the term, floofing. So I start floofing it. It's cute. But you can tell it's like clumpy versus this morning when it was just like stringy. So clumpy curls in like another hour. It's gonna be perfect. Hi, me again. Okay, big hair, don't care. So this is what my hair ended up being like for the rest of the day. It was awesome. It was big. I'll show you the back. Big hair. So super cute, right? Super cute. Okay, so what else? So if I was going out tonight, which I'm not, because I don't go out at nighttime. No, sometimes I do. Okay, let me show you what I would do. Hold on. So clearly I'm having an IGK product moment. I really like this one. It's called Beach Club, and it's like a texturizer. It's getting hot. Yes. It's like a texturizing surf spray. So I would spray it in my hair like so. And and then I would promptly choke on it. So IGK surf spray. By the way, I buy all the IGK products from Sephora, or Amazon sells them also. They smell super, super good. And I used to go to a salon, and this guy was there, and he started IGK, and I can't remember his name, but he was super cute, and he had tattoos. So even just putting the IGK spray in it makes it like bigger, a little more texturized, super like lion's mane. Okay, so I put the IGK in, and then I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, no, don't put a curling iron in your hair. You're gonna wreck it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. So this would be if I was going out at nighttime. I would just want to make it a little more glam, a little more fab, and I would want it to go a little bit more away from my face and like super sexy. If you guys know the Tone It Up girls, kind of tone it up. Katrina, I think, has a lot of this look where I just start to curl the whole thing away from my face. And you can use any kind of curling iron you have. This one is called a Sidewinder, and so it actually spins, but I'm not spinning it. So, but you get the idea. I just kind of curl it away from my face, and it gives it a little bit more of kind of like a styled, not as like beachy wave, but like a little more glamazon, because I'm like super glamazon, in case you didn't know. I'm kind of pretty much like Giselle, the supermodel, in case you didn't know. So I just curl it all away from my face. For the sake of time, I'm not going to do it, but I'm just going to give you an idea of just something else that you could do with your beach waves once you have this kind of texture. And then you can see I just kind of pull it back and away, and if I had the whole thing done, it would be like super curly, sleek, glamazon, supermodel. I'm a supermodel, can't you tell? But you can just see it just kind of like smooths it a little bit more and gives it a little more of a texture. So that is how I do my curly hair. I took you all through the day. I record, even though I told you I wasn't going to take you in the shower with me, I did, and I think it recorded me a little lower down than I thought. So if that part gets taken out of the video and you missed that part, I'm going to tell you now. And if it doesn't get taken out of the video, you're going to hear it again. So yeah, I was like, yes, I was showing my boobs when I was in the shower. So to show you that part again, when you're in the shower, you're gonna put your conditioner in your hair, and my curling iron is gonna fly away. You are gonna take your big comb and you're gonna comb your hair back with the conditioner in. Kind of the curl looks so cute. I'd take me out tonight. But you're gonna comb all of your hair back with the conditioner in it at the very end of your shower with a wide tooth comb, and then you're gonna rinse it out, and that's what you do in the shower. That is probably the most important part, because I find that if you get out of the shower and you comb your hair, that's when you separate all the curls. That is the lesson to be had at this whole entire tutorial, is that you are going to make your curls clumpy in the shower. And it's bedtime, so after all of that, I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun, wash my face, go to bed, and start all over tomorrow. Let me know if you like this. Well, look at that. How about those curls for you? So that's about it. That is what, look how good it turned out. So it's such a difference from this morning. I guess I could take off my seatbelt, but I'm not moving. It's such a difference from this morning when I had it just the way that I did it, getting out of the shower and combing it. And so I think this is really cool, because then you can see how the curls are super different and they look so much better. So the top tip is that you comb it out in the shower with the conditioner in it, and then you don't ever touch it again, and then using a product that's really clumpy, and then just sitting and letting it do its thing, and it gets better during the day. It just like a kind of like scrunch it, not scrunch it, but like floof it. I make it all floofy, and it looks really good. So I'm gonna add something else onto this look later tonight, and so stay tuned.